Hello, this is Alan Peterson. I'm founder and owner of Baja Motocross and the Baja No Pinch tool. And for years, we've dedicated ourselves to supporting dirt bike riders with the Baja No Pinch tool, a tool designed to make your dirt bike life easier.
From design to assembly, we use aerospace-grade aluminum and American craftsmanship to ensure quality you can trust. We're proud to partner with U.S. manufacturers who pour their passion into every detail, just as we do. There's no shortcuts, there's no compromises. The Baja No Pinch tool is authentic. We are the original tool. Be aware of overseas knockoffs that are flooding the market. These imitations might look similar, but they are not built to last. And most importantly, they're not Baja No Pinch, they're not American, and they're not built by the Baja No Pinch family. Our family business that was founded by riders for riders using American aluminum and machining. Check the reviews, you'll see why we're #1. You're supporting an American family-owned business. We pour our hearts into every single tool we make because your ride deserves the best. Enjoy your Baja No Pinch tool. This is Alan Peterson. I'm going riding today.